Hello and welcome to a deep dive into the Lay's Chips Factory, exploring how fresh potato chips are made. Subscribe and support this video before we begin. Lay's, a key brand of Frito-Lay, a PepsiCo subsidiary, operates numerous U.S. factories producing Lay's and Fritos. Potatoes arrive fresh from American farms, delivered daily to processing plants. Quality control is rigorous. Workers sample buckets, coring some potatoes to track production. Each is checked for blemishes or green edges. Defective potatoes are weighed. If they exceed strict limits, the entire load may be rejected to maintain standards. Approved potatoes move on vibrating conveyor belts to avoid damage. A vertical screw conveyor removes stones, lifting potatoes to a high-speed peeling machine, handling thousands of pounds hourly with abrasive rollers. Peeled potatoes soak in cold water for up to an hour to remove starch, preventing premature browning. Revolving pressers slice them paper-thin. Straight blades for classic Lays, wavy for ruffles. A second cold water wash clears starch from slicing. For certain products, slices are treated with solutions like phosphoric or citric acid to adjust pH and sugar levels, ensuring consistent color and taste while meeting safety standards. Slices are fried in 350 degrees Fahrenheit sunflower or canola oil for minutes, creating a crisp texture. Small batch frying and oil monitoring ensure quality. A de-oiling step reduces excess fat for healthier chips. Flavored chips, like barbecue or sour cream and onion, enter tumblers where seasonings are evenly applied with advanced applicators. Over 40 flavors are crafted globally, tailored to local tastes. Chips proceed to packaging. A machine with a scale measures precise weights, like 1 to 2 ounces per bag. Metal detectors scan for debris, ensuring safety. Pre-printed bags, coded for chip quantity, are filled with nitrogen gas to preserve freshness and prevent breakage. Sealed bags are sorted and packed into cartons. For cans, chips flow into containers, are weighed and sealed with lids. Workers verify quality at every stage. Lay's produces billions of bags yearly. With demand for healthier options, baked and low-calorie varieties like Poppables blend tradition with innovation. That's the Lay's Chips Factory. Subscribe and share your favorite flavor in the comments. Enjoy!